We're going to find our bed in the snow.
Car! Eat my tongue when I open it.
First, we need supplies to pick up our bed with once we find it.
Maybe the snow's oatmeal?
Yeah.
Or would you?
I got my partner with me today. We're taking my new miter saw down to the porch so I can set up for cutting hardwood floors as I'm installing them. Tomorrow is supposed to go from freezing temps to about 0 by the afternoon, evening. And so I'm trying to take advantage of today's nice weather. I think I've done all the prep work I can do for the storm. I still kind of feel this thing in the back of my head like, I gotta do more, but I don't know what else to do. So I'm just gonna start working on the hardwood flooring inside. The first thing you wanna do when taking on any new project or setting up any new tool is to find the instructions and carefully place them in the trash container. In case you didn't know, it takes a boatload of adhesive to do wood floor. Just got back from the hardware store and I'm gonna try to park our van in my shop, which I'm super excited about. It should fit according to the measurements I took earlier. Check on the garage bathroom. So I gotta get the heater set up. I'm gonna put the drip on in the sink. I'm gonna set up. I might actually go grab the electric heater while the power is working. I might as well just use that. If the power stays on, that'll do its job. And then tomorrow, once the temps really drop, then I'll come back and probably run a little trickle on the faucet. Got the charcoal grout going. Looking pretty sharp.
It's hard to see it at first.
It's snowing?
Yeah, and it's staying on the ground.
Nice. You excited about a snow day?
Yeah!
Our big news, mine and Ariel's bed got delivered yesterday. Although they delivered it to the wrong house. They sent us a screenshot like, your package has been delivered. I'm like, I don't know whose house that is. So I've been tracking down FedEx to see where it is, since it didn't show the actual address they dropped it off at. I talked to the driver today. He's like, oh yeah. He's like, we'll look into that when we get back. Right now the roads are too icy to do anything. I'm like, nice. So a little bummed that we'll be sleeping on the floor probably for a few more days, but at least our power's still on. That's awesome. I just forgot to grab my air compressor so I can try out my new finish nailer while I'm working on some stuff in the house. Ready for some snow fun?
It's snowing living in Missouri.
The snowflakes, they're perfect. Here we go. Woohoo! It's so peaceful just sitting here. I'm pulling this guy on the snow. I'm all warmed up, and so it's just like, oh, it feels good just sitting here. Nice and refreshing.
We're in a blizzard!
We're going to find our bed in the snow.
A tiny snow, a million little tiny snowflakes in my tongue when I open it.
First, we need supplies to pick up our bed with once we find it. So we're gonna take our dolly and a ratchet strap. Anything else we need?
No. Oh, we need hot chocolate and marshmallows.
We can't handle that on this trip. I'll be carrying the bed and you're gonna be the videographer. Alright, ready? So you get it right there. We're not driving on the road right now because, not just because of snow, but it's a pretty solid sheet of ice under there because it's like 15 or 20 degrees right now. Found it.
It's gone. We found it. There's snow in it too. Ooh, snow.
Pick up your bed and walk. We're doing it, bud.
Yeah. Snow. Car! That guy's gonna get hurt. Yeah? That truck's gonna get real hard.
So Leif just called me and he said he got the bed. I'm going down to see him. I appreciate your sacrifice.
Went and cut down a tree in the woods. You can make a bed out of it. Been a long day. We now have a bed. Good night, everybody.